So I'm supposed to be on my morning walk right now, but Nintendo instead decides to drop this on us right now. The new Nintendo Switch 2, the first look trailer at it, and first impression so far, it is new, but not Nintendo new that we're used to, but also it's kind of coming from like that Wii to Wii U sort of feel that they're doing here, but kind of less than that, but that's kind of okay here when you kind of take a look at the first look. I think it's actually a good idea. So the first thing I'll talk about that I think is the most important, they made sure to let you know that Nintendo Switch games will work on the Nintendo Switch 2 physically and digitally. That to me is in fact the most important thing. You're going to be able to easily upgrade and sign in and just use your same games. But beyond that, physically, we're looking at a much bigger screen. There's no specific specs on it, but it's a bigger screen we see here. And the first thing that I noticed was the kickstand is different here, and it goes back a lot further down than the previous kickstand, which I found to be interesting. You also see more of these sort of rounded corners that they have in here. It's not sort of that sharp, blocky look that we're used to with the Switch. There's also two USB-C ports now, one at the bottom and one at the top. I noticed that's a bit different. There's also a larger Joy-Cons on both sides of these, and they have accents on them because they're all black, but they have the accent colors on them this time. And I also noticed that there is a new port on them, and instead of sliding them down to reconnect, they kind of snap on the sides this time, and it seems like it's like a magnetic snap that kind of comes in. So that's different, and I think actually might be better than the slide, because I think snapping it in is a little bit more intuitive than sliding it down as before. This is kind of my thoughts here on it. Beyond that, there really isn't much else that we get from this trailer. We're supposed to get more from this down the line. There is going to be hands-on experiences starting in April. I think April 2nd is when they're going to have it in New York, where we're going to get our first hands-on with it. So we don't know what type of power this is pumping out just yet. I believe they have to be at least somewhere near PlayStation 4 level graphics to really justify the change, maybe a little bit better than that. There's also a new dock that there seems to be as well there too. It looks like a skinnier dock and more rounded corners once again on that. But other than that, that's all we kind of got right now. I think this is a smart move by Nintendo, because if it isn't going to be this major upgrade or major change, to kind of handle this like kind of the upgrade that we kind of wanted to see from them or expecting to see from them, and making sure to let you know that your old games will play on the new system as well too. So we'll have to just wait and see. This is all we got right now, but I am excited for it, and I'm looking forward to getting my hands on it and testing it out. So let me know what you guys think in the thoughts below. I'll try to leave a link to the trailer below as well too, so you can guys check that out. Thanks for watching.